Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, make sure that you're on the photo mode, and then let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Here in the photo section, on the second position, we've got the timer, which is right now turned off, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got another two options from which you can choose. So we can set either 3 seconds or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it immediately changes right here, so let's go back to the camera. And now let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let me pick the 3 seconds delay. Let's get back. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. So now let me turn it off. Just tap on off option, let's get back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.